Are you planning a trip to Seoul in 2025? Before you book your Airbnb, you need to hear this. Starting this October, most one-room and officetel listings will disappear due to new laws in Korea. As a superhost with 9 years of experience in Airbnb, I will tell you how to avoid mistakes and find a place that's clean, legal, and safe. In 2025, new housing laws are removing most short-term rentals in officetels and studio apartments. So many Airbnb listings you see now won't even exist a few months later, starting from October. That's why you need to know how to book the right place and what to check before you do. Number 1 is about location, near major subway lines. Lines 2 and 3 are the most convenient. My listings are near line number 3, Apgujeong and Sinsa stations, so you can reach almost every part of Seoul easily. Number 2, above ground or basement. Many cheap Airbnbs are in semi-basements named 반지하. My places are all above ground, bright, safe, and dry. Number 3, luggage storage available. I have two options, a basement storage room in the building or a check-in office just 3 minutes away where you can drop off your bags. Number 4, shops and cafes nearby. Convenience stores are just 1 minute away and you will find some of the hottest cafe just around the corner. Number 5, is the neighborhood safe? My listings are in Gangnam area, a local residential area near elementary schools and filled with locals, not tourists. So streets are well lit with CCTV everywhere and cafes or restaurants open till late. Number 6, reviews and host communication. I've been on Airbnb Superhost for 9 years straight, so cleanliness and fast communication are my top priorities. And it's not just me. Bonus tip, is the host professional or just a hobbyist? One more thing you should check, how many listings the host manages. Are they doing it casually just for pocket money or are they professional and responsible? I'm not only a Korean language teacher, but I'm also a licensed real estate agent. Real estate runs in my family. My dad has worked as a licensed broker for 40 years, over 40 years. I personally operate 7 listings for foreign guests, but that's just the beginning. My family and I manage over 100 housing units for Korean residents. We are not just small hosts, we run a full-scale housing business. When my students visit Korea, they stay in my place and I care for them like family. That's exactly how I treat every guest. Our entire family has run these homes. My dad takes care of maintenance and facilities. My mom handles cleaning and hygiene with care. I manage all communication with you and bookings and guest support. We each have our own role. This is a family business run with pride and professionalism. So, if you are looking for a place that's not only legal and clean, but run by people who actually care, I invite you to book directly through my official website. Avoid the risky Airbnb listings before they disappear and book directly and stay safe. And if you have any questions about Korea or traveling here, feel free to message me anytime.